Hello family, welcome to GH Herbs, your trusted place for authentic African herbal teachings. Today, we're going to explore the magic of garlic in love spells. Garlic has been used for centuries in African traditions to bind love, attract passion, and strengthen relationships. But remember, with great power comes responsibility. These spells are meant for love and harmony, never to harm anyone. Make sure you approach them with a pure heart and clear intentions. Let's dive into 5 powerful African binding love spells using garlic that you can safely practice at home. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon for latest update. Like, share, and leave your comment under the comments section. Here we go. Spell 1, Garlic and Honey Binding Spell. Purpose: strengthen love and emotional connection. Take a fresh garlic clove and carefully peel it. Place it in a small bowl. Add 2 teaspoons of pure honey, which represents sweetness and attraction in love. Using a wooden stick, mash the garlic and honey together while repeating your partner's name 3 times. Next, visualize your love growing stronger with each heartbeat. Wrap the mixture in a red cloth. Red represents passion and love, and tie it with a pink thread. Keep this bundle in your bedroom, under your pillow, or in a personal space where only you and your partner's energy exists. Each night, hold the bundle in your hands and whisper your wishes for your relationship. In 7 days, your bond will begin to strengthen, and harmony will flow naturally. Spell 2, Garlic and Rose Petal Love Attraction. Purpose: attract someone specific and create emotional closeness. Yes, it increases the force of attraction around you. You become the center of attraction. Let's begin. Crush 2 garlic cloves and mix them with a handful of fresh rose petals. Place them in a small jar. Rose petals represent love, passion, and affection, while garlic intensifies the binding energy. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil for focus and intention. Hold the jar and visualize the person you desire, imagining the love flowing between you. Seal the jar and keep it near your bed or carry it in your pocket. Each morning, repeat your intention aloud, focusing on love and respect. Within a few days, you will notice increased attention and emotional connection from your beloved. Spell 3, Garlic, Cinnamon, and Candle Binding. Purpose: strengthen loyalty and commitment. Peel a garlic clove and place it in a small dish. Sprinkle a pinch of cinnamon over it. Cinnamon represents passion and spiritual binding. Light a red or pink candle nearby. Focus on your partner and visualize your love as a flame growing stronger and brighter. Hold the garlic in your hands and whisper, "As this flame burns, so does our love bind in heart and soul." Let the candle burn for at least 15 minutes, then safely extinguish it. Keep the garlic with you for the next 7 days. This ritual enhances commitment, loyalty, and emotional unity between you and your partner. Spell 4, Garlic Bath Love Binding. Purpose: cleanse negative energy and attract love. Prepare a warm bath. Crush 3 garlic cloves and place them in the water along with rose petals or lavender for additional energy. As you soak, visualize the water cleansing your energy and attracting your beloved. Repeat their name 3 times and imagine the love between you growing stronger and inseparable. After the bath, do not rinse, allow the water's energy to absorb into your aura. Perform this ritual at night for 7 consecutive days. It helps remove obstacles in love and strengthens emotional and spiritual bonds. Spell 5, Garlic and Red String Heart Binding. Purpose: spiritual heart connection and emotional intimacy. Take 2 garlic cloves and peel them. Place them on a red string long enough to wrap around your hands. Hold the garlic and red string while focusing on your partner's energy. Tie knots in the string while visualizing your hearts connected and inseparable. Carry the string in your pocket or under your pillow for 7 days. This spell encourages emotional closeness, trust, and deeper intimacy. Remember, repeat your intention daily to enhance its power. Thank you for watching the video till end. If you want more herbal and spiritual teachings, please subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon for latest update. Like, share and leave your comment under the comment section. See you next time in my next video. Stay blessed.